Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Gurudevacademy Dharwad. This is your Ravi sir. So today we are going to solve the most important topic, that is profit and loss. This profit and loss chapter, most of the questions can be solved with the help of fraction. Okay, for example, if the examiner says that 10% profit, okay, this can be written like this. 10% can be written in the fraction what? 1 by 10. Okay, that if I is telling what 20% in the question, 20% fraction is nothing but what? 1 by 5. This all things we will discuss in the question itself. Okay, let us move to the first question. Okay, the selling price of 40 articles is equal to cost price of 45 articles. So what is the profit or loss percentage? Okay, now look at here, what he has given is selling price of 40 articles. Selling price of means nothing but multiplication. Selling price of 40 articles is equal to the cost price of 45 articles. Here if we cancel LHS and RHS with a common number, okay, you'll get the fraction, that is nothing but the ratio. Okay, now here 5 8 ja, okay, here we have 5 9 ja, that means cost price divided by selling price. Okay, if you cross multiply, you'll get what? 8 by 9, that is nothing but the fraction. You got the fraction now. There is nothing but cost price is 8 and selling price is 9. Okay, here obviously I am saying that if you say it is cost price is 8 rupees and selling price is 9 rupees, obviously the business is into what? Profit. Okay, that means how much profit? Plus 1. Okay, profit percentage is always calculated on what? Cost price. That is nothing but on 8 rupees your profit is 1. That is nothing but 1 by 8 fraction is nothing but 12.5 percentage. It is what? Profit. That means option number 2 will be the right option to this question. Okay, now let us move to the second question. A trader sold a television set for 27,500 rupees. Okay, sold means what? Sold means is nothing but what? Selling price. Okay, he has given what? Selling price. Selling price is how much? 27,500 rupees. What he is selling? Television. Okay, fine, very good. And gain 10%. Okay, gain is nothing but the profit. How much profit he is getting? 10%. Okay, now with the help of this percentage, I can write easily what? Fraction, that is nothing but 1 by 10. Always remember, when the profit is given, okay, you can add denominator to what? Numerator. Okay, if I add this one, I will get what? 11 by 10. Okay, now he is asking what? Cost price. Find the cost price of the television set. Always remember, when you are moving from LHS to RHS, you can use this fraction 11 by 10, but we don't know cost price, so I'll just reverse this fraction. I'll write it over here. That means nothing but 10 by 11. Okay, because I want cost price, so I'll reverse this ratio. Now if I cancel this one, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja is 22, 5 remainder, 11 5 ja is 55, and this 00. 2500 into 10 is nothing but how much? 25,000. That means cost price of the television can be easily determined with the help of what? Fraction. That is nothing but option number 1 will be the right answer for this question. Okay, now next question. Akhil brought 2 bags of wheat for 850 rupees each. He brought how many bags now? Whenever you say that brought is nothing but what? Cost price. Okay, so he brought 2 bags. How many bags he brought? 2 bags, 250 rupees each, and that means each bag it is costing how much? 850 rupees. For 2 bags it is nothing but 1700 rupees. Very good, fine. He sold 1 bag at profit of 16% and other at the loss of 12%. Okay, very good. What is the net profit and or loss percentage made by him? Now listen, now remember one thing, whenever he say that both the cost price is same, brought is nothing but what? Cost price. Cost price is same for both the article. Okay, but one is selling for profit how much? 16%, another for loss of 12%. Now I said you that what, whenever you say profit, okay, that means 16% fraction is nothing but what? 4 by 25. Okay, always remember, whenever you say profit, you just add this one and write it. Okay, that is nothing but this will be what? 29 by 25. Okay, the next percentage he has given what? 12%. Okay, 12% fraction is nothing but what? 3 by 25. Now he has said it as loss. Whenever you say loss, you should subtract this one. You should subtract. Okay, if you subtract this one, this will become what? 22 by 25. Now one thing you tell me, okay, cost price of both the bags are same. Okay, now listen carefully. These are the fractions what I got. Now he brought it for 25 rupees and he is selling for how much? 29 rupees. Okay, very good. He brought it for 25 rupees and he is selling for how much? 29 rupees, because he is getting the profit of 16%. That means this is cost price of the first bag and selling price of the first bag. Okay, this is bag number 1. Okay, another bag is there, bag number 2. Okay, in the bag number 2, he brought it for 25 rupees and he is selling for 22 rupees. He brought it for 25 rupees and he is selling for 22 rupees. That means nothing but cost price of the both the bags are same. We don't need the data there. Okay, that means whatever the figures he has given, we don't need that. We need only what? The condition. Okay, what the condition is? Both the bags price is same. That means cost price is same. Very good. Cost price is same. He brought it for 50 rupees. Both the bags are brought for 50 rupees. Both the bags are sold it for how much? 22 and 29 is nothing but what? This will be 11 and this will be what? 5. That means he brought it for 50 rupees and he is selling for 51 rupees. Both the bags. That is nothing but he brought it for 50 rupees. He sold it for 51 rupees. Plus 1 rupees is what? Profit. That is nothing but 1 by 50. 1 by 50 is nothing but what? 2% profit. Okay, option number 1 will be the right answer. Okay, with the help of the fraction, you can solve it easily. Okay, fine. Question number 4. Manish bought a car for 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, fine. He brought. As I said in the previous question, he brought. Okay, whenever the brought word is mentioned in the question, it is nothing but what? Cost price. For how much rupees he brought? 1,50,000 rupees. Very good. 1,50,000 rupees. And sold it for 2,10,000 rupees. Very good. Okay. Find the profit percentage made by him on selling the car. Okay. Always remember, when the data are bigger, okay, the figures are bigger values, you can just cancel this one and make it a ratio. Here I'll cancel 4 zeros and 4 zeros. Okay. This can be cancelled as 3 5 ja and this one is 3 7 ja. That means 2 rupees I am getting the profit on 5 rupees. Okay. That means on 5 rupees I am getting the profit of 2 rupees. 2 by 5 is nothing but what? 40% profit. How much? 40% profit. That means profit made by the car is how much? 40%. Okay. Question number 5. Okay. Now, this is same question as the third question, because you can easily see that a man brought 2 cows for the same price. Okay, very good. Same price. He sold both the cows, one at 10% profit and other at 10% loss. Find his overall profit or loss percentage. Now, as I said you, 10%, okay, 10% can be written as 1 by 10. 1 is at the profit. So, I will write this one as what? Plus. That is nothing but 11 by 10. Okay. Another we have 10% loss. That is nothing but 1 by 10. I will write this one as minus, because he has said it as a loss. That is nothing but what? This will be what? 9 by 10. Okay, fine. Very good. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 10. Very good. Now, I brought it for 10 rupees and I am selling it for how much? 11 rupees in the first condition. Next condition, I brought it for 10 rupees and I am selling it for how much? 9 rupees. That means this is into profit, this is into loss. Second cow. That means overall cost price, okay, this is total cost price of both the cows is 20 rupees. Selling price of both the cows is 20 rupees. That means I am not neither getting any profit here or any loss. So that is nothing but 0 by 20. 0 by 20 is what? 0%. That means neither profit, neither loss. Option number 4 is correct. Clear? I hope you have enjoyed the session. Okay, I hope the concepts are clear. With the help of the fractions, okay, we have solved all the 5 questions, okay, which are most important for the upcoming examinations. For more updates, join our Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram channel, also join our Facebook page, okay, for daily current affairs, test series, job notifications, magazines, and for more free videos on YouTube, please subscribe our channel, that is Gurudev IAS, KS and Banking Academy. Okay, keep learning. All the best. Thank you.